National Weather Service in Des Moines has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northwestern Greene County in west central Iowa, eastern Sac County in west central Iowa, Calhoun County in west central Iowa, northeastern Carroll County in west central Iowa, until 6 p.m. At 5:11 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located near Ralston, or 12 miles east of Carroll, moving north at 50 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. This is a radar-indicated threat. The following impacts are expected. Hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted in Lake City, Twin Lakes State Park, Arthur North Noy Airport, Needham, Rockwell City Municipal Airport, Pomeroy, Jolly, Ralston, North Twin Lake, Lauderdale, Reinard, Scranton, Lanesboro, Hobbs County Park, South Twin Lake, Summers, Twin Lakes, Auburn, and Rockwell City. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 6 p.m. for the following counties in Iowa: Calhoun, Carroll, Greene, and Sac.